Today I'm going to show you how I make a really nice blueberry buttermilk bread. This stuff is wonderful. So the things you're going to need 2 cups of flour, you're going to need a tablespoon of baking powder, a half a teaspoon of salt, 1 1/4 cups of buttermilk, 1 half stick of melted butter, which is 4 tablespoons. You're going to need a cup of sugar, 1 egg, and 1.5 cups of blueberries. So with that, we'll get started. You're going to take your flour and your baking powder and your salt, and you're just going to give that a quick whisk. Just a quick whisk together. You're going to set that aside. Now we're going to take our sugar, let's see, our butter, and our egg, and our buttermilk. And we're just going to whip that until it's very well incorporated. This is so easy to make, and it's absolutely delicious. Okay, so we're going to set that aside just for a minute, because our blueberries, we are going to take our blueberries, get them all out of there. You can use fresh or frozen. I'm using frozen. But you're going to take your blueberries and you're going to fold them into your flour and get them all coated, because that's what helps them from not, turning your whole bread blue. Anyway, so okay, we got that. Now we're going to mix them right into our wet ingredients. Okay? Just fold it all in until it's really well incorporated. You don't want to over mix this. You just want it mixed in. See how it's coming together real nice. Okay, I think we got that pretty good. Alright, so with that, we've got a nice loaf pan here, and we've got it all sprayed and ready. And we are going to just pour this right into there. Scrape as much out as you can. You don't want to waste any. Okay. Alright, so there's your loaf. Now you're going to put that in a 350-degree oven, and it's going to bake for 55 to 60 minutes. And just check it. You poke a knife in there or a toothpick and it'll come out clean, then you know it's done. And you want it nice and golden brown on the top. So there you have it. We'll be right back when it's done. Okay, friends, my bread is out of the oven. It's screaming hot, so I'm not going to cut into it yet. I've got to let it cool. But I will have a picture of it in the front of the video so that you can see how it looks. But for now, it's going to cool here for a while till it's completely cool, and then I'll take it out of the pan. But there you have it. That's how easy it is to make, and it does smell wonderful. So give it a try. Thanks for watching.